Episode 11, take one. No decam. Don't look for decam. It's not there.
Hi guys, welcome back to Off Our Needles. I'm Tracie.
I'm Jodi.
And we are the Grocery Girls.
We are. Today we are talking everything weird and wonderful about brioche.
Brioche. Love it. Love brioche.
I have mixed feelings about brioche, actually. I did take a class, a 3-hour class, and learned the basic brioche. I didn't do any increasing or decreasing.
Yes.
I feel like I have to actually do a project to actually appreciate.
I think so too.
Yeah.
And you and I took that same class together, and I thought it was really, really great. But I also, it was a long time before I tried it again, and I had to relearn. I feel like it's one of those things you have to keep practicing to do it. But there's lots of simple projects out there, and you can practice over and over, and I think have some success.
Brioche is really hot right now. A lot of people are incorporating it into their designs.
Yes.
Part brioche, part, different patterning and things. And I have to say, it's really cool, the effect that comes.
And it makes a really squishy fabric that everybody just loves to wrap around their neck or whatever, because there's so many cool patterns.
There is. So these days when I think of brioche, I think of Stephen West.
Yes.
I think of Knit Graffiti.
Absolutely. Andrea Mowry,
Yeah.
Nancy Marchant.
Yeah. They're just adding so many amazing brioche patterning in their patterns lately.
I do, I love it. And
Yeah.
there's everything from hats and mitts and socks and sweaters.
Yeah.
Tons of shawls. I feel like there's just so many of those out there these days, and people love knitting them.
They do. There's actually a new brioche class at Craftsy, and it's by Leslie Ann Robinson.
I'm so excited about that. I feel like I'm ready to take the leap from basic to exciting with my brioche.
Yeah. So Leslie has filmed a segment for us about her favorite facts about brioche knitting.
I can't wait to hear what she has to say.
Take it away, Leslie.
Hi, Jodi and Tracie. Thank you so much for having me. I love you guys. Today I want to share with you my favorite facts about brioche knitting. First fact, brioche knitting is actually named after bread. I'm just kidding, we have no idea if that's true. Have you ever seen brioche cables? They look so complicated, but they're actually just increases and decreases. No cable needle needed. Cable needle needed? Okay. Unlike other types of knitting, learning brioche can actually be easier with 2 colors instead of 1. Which might sound crazy, but it's true. Brioche makes an incredibly expansive fabric once you've knit or knitted. Is it knit or knitted? I have no idea. Anyway, once you've worked a few rows. Brioche knitting was popularized by the queen of brioche, Nancy Marchant, who's my personal hero. And she developed the standard terms and techniques that we use in brioche knitting today. I don't know if you've noticed this right now, but brioche knitting is dominating Ruvelry's hot right now. There are so many incredible designers out there using the brioche stitch in their designs, and I just love it. My final brioche fact is that it creates a gorgeous double-sided fabric. There's no real wrong side because both sides can be equally beautiful. And that's the reason I love brioche so much, and you should too.
So I was actually curious about where brioche did come from.
I know, right? Because I do think bread when I hear the word
I do
brioche.
too.
But Nancy Marchant says that it's a technique common in Eastern Europe, and that the pattern for it was printed as early as the 1840s, where it was used to knit a brioche or cushion that kind of looked like bread.
Got it.
So maybe there's a link there with the whole bread thing.
So it's been around for a long time.
A long time,
Yeah.
and it's going to be here to stay. I know it.
So you can learn more about brioche, and Nancy Marchant has a class, Explorations in Brioche Knitting, at craftsy.com.
I loved it. It was fabulous. So you can learn more about this at craftsy.com by becoming a member. You can click the link below to start your free trial membership.
And don't forget, if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.
We'll see you next time, guys. Happy knitting.
Bye.